In this video, we're going to discuss Padlet, which is a digital bulletin board application similar to a digital discussion board with a little bit different functionality, but also really primarily useful for allowing learners to scrutinize fundamental sources. It's also useful for facilitating collaboration and interactivity within the instructional setting, and really allowing users to curate, to post, and to manage content in a cloud-based location. So we're simply going to log in, and we see this very raw interface here. Now we can look at recent Padlets that we've made, we've shared, we've liked, we've archived, and then we can create new folders for organizing our Padlets. We can join Padlets, we can view a gallery of examples, and this is much like the VoiceThread samples, that they're very useful for inspiration and just to see how people are using them. But if we wanted to also look at specific applications like organizational charts, travel itineraries, book reviews, those sorts of things, we have a lot of options here that we can kind of scroll through. So when we're going to look at making a Padlet, but I've already kind of created one and imported some resources here. What we see is that I've just added some images. I've added a prompt to rank the following individuals. Users can drag and drop the content very easily, so they can move it around, they can delete stuff, they can click on it and provide comments to those, they can copy posts, etc. So there's a lot of functionality here with these. As a manager, I can share these, I can invite members, I can add privacy elements, I can copy a link, I can get a QR code, I can embed it into a website, I can send it via email, Facebook, Twitter, or on Google Classroom. So it's real easy to share this with our learners. We can also look here and we can modify the appearance. So I could change the title, I could change the icon associated with it, I can change the address for it, wallpaper, the color scheme, the font. I can allow comments or disallow comments. I can filter profanity or require approval, so sort of moderate the function. Now, if I had a prompt here as a user, I'd just double click to add content, and I can add a title, maybe my name if I was a learner. I could write something, and then I can upload content from the web. I can pick a file. I can pick other files from the web, other files associated with Padlet. I can link to something, I can search Google, I can add an image, and then I have a number of other options here. I can see I can link to another Padlet, I can put a location, a map on here, I can draw, I can record my screen, I can do the voice, record audio, much like the functionality we saw with VoiceThread and other tools we've used, capture video from the camera, take a photo from the camera, again, upload, link, and Google as well. So this is a great tool to allow users to, as I said, curate primary sources as well as manipulate and organize them, and really a useful tool for allowing learners to scrutinize fundamental sources. I hope you find this tool useful.